Oh, look at that. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steve Putnwork Steve back with another video, and today I'm doing a review on a cordless electric beard grooming brush. It's like basically like a heat straightener, you know, a heat comb straightener. That's what it is. It's by Ion, and I'm doing a review today. Usually sometimes I tell people don't even use a lot of heat to your beard, but you know, I come to find out now that I am a barber and now that I find out some information, I say it's always good to at least do it like once or twice a month, so that way you can straighten out your beard, especially if you have really, you know, curly beards like me. But let's stop all this talking, man. Let's open this up. I can't wait to try it out. I can't wait. I don't even know how my beard gonna look, but we're gonna try it out right now. Let's go. Now it comes in this little box right here. Got a lot of plastic on there. We're gonna take that off real fast. Look at this. It does have instructions here. It says right here in instructions, it says if you have it on low, it's for fine hair. If you have it on medium, it's for normal hair. And if you have it on high, it's for thick, coarse hair. So I do have that real thick, coarse hair, like the real curly hair. And the high is up to 392 degrees, basically. So that's pretty hot. It's not hot, but it's pretty hot. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I'm a little nervous, man. But it says right here where these are at, this is like the pick. It's the styling pick. You basically use it to go through the hair to help like give it more volume. It's like any other pick would do. It helps get more volume and like fills up your beard. And then this is just a regular comb, and it's the heating comb. So you just go through it. You start from the root tip and go all the way down. You know, and it says repeat several times until desired results have been reached. So I guess you got to keep on doing it until you reach your desired length or your desired straighten way of your hair. It comes with a wired charger, so I like that. And it comes with like a little pouch. This is official. Shout out to Ion. I like this. You can get this basically, I think, online on Amazon. If I can find that, I will leave a link down below in my description. But I did get this from Sally's. It was about like, I think it was like $65 or some change. Pretty cheap, but it's worth it. Hey, everybody's trying it out. I see a lot of people trying it on their beards. I'm like, hell, you know, nobody really made a video about it. So how about if I do it? How about if I do it? Let's do it now. I'm gonna add some oil in here, in my beard. So add some oil to my beard real fast. Fill it all over. Okay. Try this out. Man, I hope this work, y'all, man. I hope this work. This better work. And then make sure you got like a comb on you or pick, anything like that. I got both just in case. I don't know if I'm gonna probably use both, but I'm gonna go ahead and just pick it out. Oh man. Dang. I'm a little nervous. I ain't never did this before. We're gonna start with a little tip right here. I got a little mirror down here too, so if y'all think that I'm not looking at y'all, I am looking at y'all. I'm just like looking in the mirror right here, but we're gonna start off right here. Oh, look at that. It's like look at that. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't gonna stun up. I'm scared though. I ain't gonna see. I'm probably in the comment section laughing. They were like, yo, Steve, don't be scared, bro. Yo, I'm scared. Hold on. Yo, look at that. I didn't know my beard can get this long. Like, my beard is longer than what you think it is. Like, I don't even know, man. I don't know. Wow, like yo, do y'all see the look? Yeah, I'm sure y'all see all this, right? Y'all see this right here, right? Y'all see all this has been not been like I touched this, I touched all this, but you see how long my beard is? Like my beard is actually like out here. That's so crazy right now. That's so yo. Y'all came up with something. Y'all came up with something. Shout out to Ion with this brush, man. Like man, like hold on, wait, let me try this again. Whoo! That burned a little bit, but you know, it's for my hair. It says for my coarse hair. Like I said, I got it on high. I'm not kidding with y'all. I got it on high. This is all real results too. Like I'm not even doing this to get paid. I'm just doing this because of the fact that you know I seen everybody else doing it. I felt like there was no video out for it, so I'm like, shit. Why not me put a video out there for y'all? You feel me? Let me see. Let me try it again, man. Yo, this is crazy. All right, so I tried it out. Let me try it out with the little pick. Let me try it out with the pick. Yo, look how straight my beard is. Look how straight my beard is. I'm not even gonna joke with y'all. Alright, so look, I'm gonna try it from the bottom of it too. Yo. Yo. Look at my beard. I didn't know my hair, like my beard hair can get that straight. I didn't even know that. Like, I'm telling y'all this right now. I'm telling you this right now. If y'all want something that's gonna straighten your beard out right now, cause you tired of all the naps and stuff like that in your beard, you steady trying to get it out. I gotta be careful. I don't want to burn myself now. Y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me on 𝐀𝐋𝐋 News. But if y'all want to be able to straighten your beard out, this right here, this brand, and I'm pretty sure they probably got other different brands like on Amazon, and maybe if you go to Sally's, I think this is the only one. Walmart, maybe Target might have some. I'm not 100% sure, but this right here is something I'm going to be definitely using now. Like I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to try it on some of my clients too. Let me try it again. I feel like now I gotta take the clippers and even out my beard now, man. Like I don't know. Yeah, I look crazy. I look like it's uneven. Look, can y'all tell it's like all uneven? You see that? I look like I got electrocuted. Yo, do y'all think this is working for me? Look, yo, fellas, look, tell me, do y'all think it's gonna be working for me? Yes or no? What you think? Nah, it's the look, it's the vibe. It's Steve 2.0. Like I'm up to that scale. Am I'm like Bummer 5 Steve, or am I like 2.0 Steve? Like y'all tell me. Get into the conversation. Let me know. Let me see. Hold on. Let me try it again. I'm not going to keep on like doing it over and over. It did say keep on going to your desire, but I'm not going to keep on going over, because I feel like if you add heat a lot to your hair, it does kind of help break your hair out. So, but I don't know, maybe, you know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you should here and there if you want to straighten out your hair. But yo, like this thing right here, thing is perfect. I'm gonna try out the pick. Let me see. Try it out one more time. It said it had more volume to it. Man, yo, this is crazy, man. Look at this beard, man. My beard wasn't like this. My beard was not like this. My beard wasn't like that. Like, I'm low-key, I'm afraid to get this, like, the sides, but I'm gonna try my best. But if you look at it, like, yo, like, look at it. It's crazy, man. This is really crazy. This is really crazy. I feel like now, like, I'm looking in the mirror, I feel like I need to, like, take the clippers and, like, make my beard all even. But I don't know, like, I'm gonna wear this look today. I'm gonna see if I can get, like, anybody's reaction, really, like, yo, like, what happened to your beard? Or did your hair grow or anything like that? Or I don't know, like, but, like, my beard is even longer. Like, I've been having this beard now for a while. Like, I'm gonna say for a minute. I didn't cut it off at all. So this is, like, the longest that I had. Like, I only been, like, trimming edges. But I feel like now I just need to make it, like more fuller. But if I do that, it's like, I don't know, man. I don't know if I can rock it like this. I don't know what you think. Does it look good on me? Does it look good? Yo, this cordless electric beard grooming brush is something, man. I'm telling you. This is Ion. Look, man. Y'all came up with something. I tell you this, a lot of men out there with their beards have a hard time trying to, you know, get it plucked out or getting straight in, or, you know, adding, like, more volume, that getting that length that they really want, because they be like, damn, like, I can never get it. Like, if you want to straighten out your beard, go with this, man. Go with Ion. It's right in Sally's. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's anywhere else, but it's right in Sally's. Like, I'm telling you right now, this is something crazy. This is something amazing. I got to, like, every single angle I could get to. I don't want to keep on going, and, like, no, like, and I can try to pick. Look, I can try to pick now. Look, see, when you go with the pick, it says to add more volume to it. See it? It says it adds more volume to it, but I kind of did, like, every single angle that you can think of. I don't want to go any further, but like I said, I like this, and I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to be using it on my clients, and I don't know, man, like, I want y'all to use it too. So look, if you decide that you want to buy this product, come back, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this right here, because I just had to do it. I had to leave a review. I had to try it out. Nobody's leaving any videos. Nobody's talking about this particular product right here, this wireless tool right here. Nobody's talking about it, and I'm like, yo, you know what, I'm going to take an initiative. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to help every last one of you guys, because this is what I'm here for. You know, I'm here. If you are new, put in that work and subscribe right now. Put in that work and subscribe right now. Like I said, y'all did see some smoke coming. Like, this is the oil. I mixed it in. I mixed my own little oil, my regular oil, and then I had, like, some stuff, 𝐀𝐋𝐋, whatever you call it, like some heat protection. I mixed that in there too as well, because I want my beard to, like, smell good, but still be protected from the heat from the comb right here. But yo, when I tell you, this is amazing. This is amazing, man. I'm telling y'all. Look, I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. But tell me what y'all think, man. Like, I can easily take the pick now, and I could just go through it. Like, oh, I still here, so I feel like I still need to go with it. But look how it look. Just look at it. Look at it. It's just going straight through, man. Straight through. Look at that. Oh, man. Look, this is something amazing. I appreciate y'all. Get into those comment sections. Don't forget to watch every video that I post. I'm coming out with more videos. Thank y'all so much. Shouts out to y'all. This is not a paid promotion. I wish it was, but I'm not there yet. So thank y'all so much. Have a good one. I give this a 5-star. I give it a 5-star. Y'all might think I'm going crazy. I give it a 5-star. Make sure y'all try it out and let me know what y'all think. This is Ion straightening brush for your beard. Try it out. Putnwork Steve. Peace.